Alright, YouTube, here we go with another one. Celebrating New Year's with my wife and my beautiful kids over here. And we got some leftover sparkly fireworks that we just gonna blow them up right here for the kids and shit. I'll separate them. We're gonna do them all at once because it's a little chilly and we with the kids right here. You see we got 2, 4, 6, 7. We got more upstairs, but we gonna save them for another day.
Starting back for forward?
Whatever you want, babe. Just make the kids happy a little bit. Don't be scared now. I'll be dope if that shit lights up the other one. Shit, they did more than what I expected them to do. Stop screaming.
Go this one. Back up. Back up, Giovanni.
Man, that one's still going. Yeah. Come on, Angel, yeah. It's okay, buddy. That was it?
Oh, here it is.
Yeah, they like tiny flares only though. Yeah, se no hace nada. It's like 2 more to go, right? Stop screaming, Zion, because Angel gets scared. Una brava. Prenderse de viaje. All right, guys, that was it.